Today we will be unboxing Poco F3. The package is in rough condition, as you can see, because we have to ship it from another country because of this beautiful Arctic white color. We do have 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. There's another variant that supports an 8 GB and 256 GB. Poco has done it this time. They have provided the best of the best for their customers, and they sure know how to satisfy their customers. The packaging experience is quite new, as you get the welcome card right out of the box from the head of Poco Global. The booklet contains a soft silicone case with an SIM ejector tool and some documentation. Okay, this is new. For the first time, like Apple, you can see that you also get some stickers. Everything you need, nothing you don't. That's what these guys are after right now. And I believe this is the dongle. Let's just, oh yeah, it's the dongle, so which means that we don't get a headphone jack within the device itself. Remaining, we have some documentations, the user guide, the manual guide, whatever you would like to call it, and the soft silicone case, the best protection there is. Okay, put this aside. We do have the device here. On the strapping, you can see we do get Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 with 5G, and not only this device is 5G, but this beautiful beast also supports Wi-Fi 6. We'll get to that when we will review the device. It also supports 120Hz AMOLED dot display with dual Atmos speakers, Dolby Atmos speakers, and at the top and right here at the bottom. It's high resolution 48 megapixel triple camera. Okay, let's unwrap this baby. Putting it aside and powering it on. Let's just put this aside as it powers on. And last, we get the 30 watt fast charger with a USB type C fast charging cable. That's what this device has to offer us. If we look at the build quality, it's quite slim as compared to its previous devices like the Mi 10T, but it does resembles the Redmi Note 10 Pro. As you guys can see, the camera setup is quite similar to that. We do have triple camera setup. This one you can see is not a camera, it's a tele microphone through which you can reduce the noise and capture the clear image quality with also the clear audio quality. You do get the Poco branding and 5G branding at the back of this device. On the side, we have the fingerprint sensor with volume rockers. On the top, we have IR blaster stereo speakers, and on the bottom we also get the stereo speakers with a type C. Let me just get it clear. Yeah, like this. We get type C charging port with SIM card tray. If we talk about the camera setup, on the main we have 48 megapixel camera. On the bottom we have a wide 8 megapixel camera, 5 megapixel tele macro camera. The device comes with MIUI 12 version. As you guys know that Poco is a sub branch of Xiaomi, so it supports the same software as the other Xiaomi devices, and the same goes for Redmi as well. And with the same liquid effect we get in all the Xiaomi devices, as you guys can see. This device does supports 120 Hz of refresh rate, but that is not static. What makes it even better that it's dynamic. It shifts or it switches to its needs. Refresh rate shifts from 120 Hz to 90 and 90 to 120 Hz, and it's dynamic. You can also make it static as well. And if we talk about the camera, the main setting, the main thing we get is the night mode, which is here. You can capture a clear image quality with this night mode, and we do have some other modes as well, but I'll make sure to capture these modes in our next video, because there's a lot of modes plus a lot of settings. The front camera is of 20 megapixels, and let me show you something very interesting. If you will open this front camera right here, and as you will close it, there's a camera bump. So you see now it's gone. Let's open it again, and yeah, there. Well, these are some very minimal but very sleek features that a person is looking for. Lastly, talking about the design, the device is so powerful and yet so slim. Comparing it to my Mi 10T, the camera bump is very minimal as of my Mi 10T, and the color is also appealing. There you have it. I'll make sure to provide a full review video of this device as soon as possible. So if you guys like this video, do subscribe to my channel and comment, and if you have another device that you would like to have a review on, do let me know, and see you guys there.